Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to talk about using the effective rate, and what the effective rate is for is figuring out at what rate or what interest rate do I need to collect under simple interest to earn the same amount of interest at any given time under compound interest. So I've written here effective rate, the amount you would earn under compound interest equals the amount you would have earned with simple interest. So the best way I think to explain this is to do an example. So I'm going to do find the effective rate of 6% compounded quarterly. So at what simple interest rate do I have to have so that the amount of interest I'm earning in, let's say, time equals a year, equals the amount I would have earned under compound interest at 6% compounded 4 times a year? So the formula for compound interest, A equals P times 1 plus R over M to the MT, and the formula for simple interest, A equals PRT, or I've taken the P out, A equals P 1 times RT. You'll notice that A equals something here and A equals something here. It's the same variable, so I'm going to say A equals A, and when that happens, I'm going to get this equals this. So P 1 plus R over M, that's rate over how many times a year your interest is calculated, to the MT, T equals time, equals P, the principal, 1 plus RT. And it's this R that I'm solving for. This is going to be my effective rate. So you'll notice we have a P on both sides, so those just cancel. I am going to let T can equal anything, but I'm going to let T equal 1. So let's say, at the end of a year, what effective rate did I need to have the same amount of money in interest? So 1 plus R over M to the M times T equals 1 equals 1 plus R, and then T just equals 1, so it's just 1 plus R. So I'm going to fill in my variables, except this R, because remember that's what I'm solving for. So 1 plus, under compound interest, my rate was 6%, so that's 0.06 over compounded quarterly, or 4 times a year, so 4 compounding periods per year, to the power of M is 4, equals 1 plus R. So when I solve inside the brackets, this is 0.015 and this is 1. So when I add those, I get 1.015 to the power of 4 equals 1 plus R. So 1.015 to the power of 4 equals 1.0614, and that equals 1 plus R. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, so I'm going to get 0.0614 equals R, and I'm going to change that to a percent, so times it by 100, and I'm going to get R equals 6.14%. So a good way to check your answer, you'll notice that my effective rate, 6.14%, really isn't all that much different than 6%. So you only need 0.14% more on your rate to get the same amount at simple interest. And it's actually interesting, you can do, like I tried this question using 8%, and I think I got the effective rate is like 8.24. So if your answer is within, let's say, like 0.5 of the original value, you've probably done this question right. So I hope this video helped, and have a good night.